How to convert USD to USDT on Bybit mobile application. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert USD to USDT on Bybit mobile application. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Bybit app on your device and then log into your account. Tap on More tab on the home page in order to access the services page. Scroll down and select Buy Crypto. After that, you will be directed to the one-click buy page. Now tap on drop-down arrow to select your currency. Using the search bar, you have to type in USD and choose USD. Ensure that USDT is selected as the target currency at top right corner of the screen. If not, you can tap on USDT at top right and change it to USD if not selected. After that, enter the amount of USD you wish to enter and wish to convert to USDT. After that, you need to press next at bottom right corner. On the next page, you have to select your payment method and tap on deposit bottom at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully converted the USD to USDT on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.